Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Are you ready? Okay. All of you take your grammar textbook and get ready for our grammar class. Okay. Today we are going to discuss our third lesson. What is the name of our third chapter? Yes, articles. What is the name of our third chapter? Articles. Okay, then all of you take page number 27 and look at in your textbook. Okay. Articles are words that are used before nouns and help us to understand whether we are referring to a noun specifically or generally. Here, articles are words that are used before noun. Articles, words that are used before nouns. Okay. And help us to understand whether we were referring to a specifically or generally. Here, one example has given here. I met an artist who paints only landscapes, not a specific artist, any artist. Here the sentence not discussed, not a specific artist. Here I met an artist who paints only landscape. Okay, is that any artist? ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റിനെ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റ്, എനി ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റ് എന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? And the second example, the landscapes hanging in our living room was made by him. Is a specific picture. Okay, here we have already studied articles are words that are used before nouns. Help us to understand whether we are referring to a noun specifically or generally. Okay, here there are how many types of articles? Yes, there are 3 articles. There are 3 types of articles. What are they? A and the. Okay. Are the articles? Yeah. The articles are the 3 articles A and the. Okay. Understand? Understand? Okay. Okay. Here A and an. A and an. A and an are indefinite article. Indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. Okay, then all of you look at your textbook. A and are indefinite articles. We use a before words that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. We use and before words that begin with a vowel or vowel sound. Okay, yeah. Okay, here a and an are the indefinite article. We use a before words that begins with a consonant sounds. Consonants എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ vowel sound അല്ലാത്ത ബാക്കിയുള്ള sounds. Okay, അതിൻ്റെ മുന്നിലാണ് എന്ത് ചേർക്കുന്നത്? Yes, article A. We use an. Then next we are going to study and, where we use an. And we use and before words begin with a vowel sound, and used with a vowel sound. Here a we use before a consonant sound. Okay, understand? Here There are three articles, a and the. Okay, here a and an are the indefinite articles. A we used before a consonant sound. Then and we use before the vowel sound. Understand? Clear? Okay, here two examples are given here. All of you look at in your textbook. There is a park in front of my house. There is a park in front of my house. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Okay, there is a park in front of my house. Then next, an elderly man tells us a story in the park every day. An elderly man tells us a story in the park every day. Understand? Where we use a and an. Okay, very good. Next, some words may begin with a vowel but may have consonant sounds. Here, some words may begin with a vowel sounds but may have a consonant sound. Okay, some words may begin with the vowels but may have consonant sounds. In such cases, we use a before the word. Yes, such cases we use a before the word. Okay, for example, in unicorn, the pronunciation of U is U and Y is consonant. Y is consonant sound. In that wise, we use a before the sound, before that word. Understand? Okay, then this is a unique opportunity. This is a. Here, not use an. Okay, here we use this is a unique opportunity for you to see the army camp. Then next example, a soldier is required to wear a uniform, not an uniform. Here we use a uniform. Understand? Then next one, some words may begin with a consonant but may have a vowel sound. In first point we discussed, some words may begin with a vowel. Some words എന്തിനാണ് vowel soundsലായിരിക്കും തുടങ്ങുന്നത്. But in that case we have consonant sound. Okay. Here the second point, some words may begin with the consonant. Some words begin with the consonant but maybe you may have a vowel sound. Okay. In such cases, we use an before the word. In that cases, we use an before the word. Okay, understand? Example, the captain of the regiment is an honorable man. The captain of the regiment is an honorable man. Yeah. Second example, the soldiers are allowed to rest for an hour after the meals. Here, the soldiers are allowed to rest for an hour after the vowel. Here, they begin with the consonant but may have a vowel sound. In that case, we use an before that word. Clear? Okay. And then, in the words honorable and honor. In the case, honorable and honor. Honorable and honor. Here, two words are here. The consonant H is silent. Here the consonant sound H. Here, starting with H. H is silent. Okay. Here, H is silent. These words, Okay, here these words begin with a vowel sound. Here these words begin with a vowel sound. Next, we are going to discuss our next article, the. Last article, the. The is a definite article. Definite article. Here, there are three types of articles, a and the. A and an are the indefinite article. The is the definite article. Understand? Okay, here, the is a definite article. The definite article is used to refer to a particular noun. The definite article is used to refer to a particular noun, or when we are talking about something again after having mentioned it once before. Here, the definite article. What is the definite article? Yes, definite article is the. That is the definite article. Definite article is used refer to a particular noun. Is it refers to a particular noun, or when we are talking about something. When we are talking about something, നെക്കുറിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ after having mentioned it once before. Here, examples are given here. Amani is going with his parents on a trip to Karigna. They have arranged the trip through a travel agent. Here is a used refer to a particular noun, and when we are talking about something, here talking about the trip. Here example talking about the trip and having mentions it once before. Understand? Yeah, Amani is going with his parents on a trip. Then they have arranged. Okay, yeah, talking about something again. Talking about something. Arrange the trip through a travel agent. Understand? Okay. Then next we are going to discuss where we use the. Where we use the. First point. When we talk about a particular thing or a person. First point, when we okay, here the first point that we use when we talk about a particular thing or person. In a particular thing or person, that in that case we use the. Okay, here one example. My mother met the principal today. Is a particular thing or person. Okay, yeah. First point, all of you remember, we use the. Okay, what's the first point? Yes, when we talk about a particular thing, when we talk about a particular thing or a person, we use the. Okay, understand? Okay, and the next point, here the next point. Here the next point, with a noun that represent a whole class. With a noun that represent whole class. Example, the leopard can climb trees. A noun that represent whole class. That will be used the. Okay, here The next point, the third point, with the names of a mountain. Here the third point, mountain, range, oceans, seas, rivers, gulfs, bays and deserts. Okay, here with the names of mountains, oceans, seas, rivers, gulfs, bays and deserts. In that case, we used to the before the article. Before that words, we use the article. Understand? All of you understand? Okay, very good. First point. Here the first point. When we talk about the particular thing or a person, that will be used the. Then third point, with a noun that represent a whole class. That will be used the. Okay. And the third point, with the names of mountains, oceans, seas, rivers, gulfs, deserts, bays, that we use the. Understand? Okay, very good. Then here some examples. The Brahmaputra, the Himalayas, the Pacific Ocean. It represents ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, the Thar Desert. Okay, understand? Okay, and the next point, with the names of monuments, theatres, stadiums and auditoriums, we use the. Before that word we use the article. Understand? Examples, the Victoria Memorial, the Bardhaman Stadium, the Prithvi Theatre, the Sri Fort Auditorium. Understand? Okay, and the next point, with certain books and newspapers. With certain books and newspapers, the Quran is a certain book. We use the. And the Hindustan Times is a newspaper. Okay, the Hindustan Times. The next point, with the things that are only one of the kind, the sun, the moon. With trains we use the Shatabdi Express, the Amritsar Mail. Then with the superlative degree of adjectives, we use the. Example, even the darkest cloud has a silver lining. Understand? Here, first exercise, page number 28, exercise number A. All of you look at that exercise. Circle the incorrect article. തെറ്റായ article. Just you circle. Okay. And write the correct one. Then circle the incorrect one and then all of you write the correct articles. Okay. This is a homework for you. Okay. Understand? Okay. Then all of you listen. Here, today we discuss our third lesson, articles. Articles are three types, a and the. A and the indefinite article. The is the definite article. Understand? A before we used vowel sounds. Consonant sound. And we use before begin with a vowel sound. Okay. Then here a definite article we used before a particular noun. When we talk about something again, after having mentioned it can before. Understand? Here some points are given here where we use the article the. First point, when we talk about a particular thing or person, then with a noun that represent a whole class, mountains, trains, oceans, seas, rivers, gulfs, bays, desert, we use the. Then certain books and newspapers, Then next poem with the things that are only one of their kind. Then next poem with the trains we use before the. Then next poem with the superlative degree of adjectives. That in that case we use the. Okay. Then all of you do this exercise A. I hope all of you understand this lesson and all of you study this lesson very well. Let's wind up our today's class. Thank you.